Hi all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afroz. I'm a professional makeup artist based out of Bangalore. I hope you're all doing well. I recently posted a picture of myself on Instagram and I got a lot of requests on how to create this look. It is a simple, clean makeup look which anyone can create at home. Today's video is going to be about how to create this look. It should not take more than 10 minutes of your time, so let's get started. I have done my skin prep already, starting with a tinted moisturizer. For today's look, I'll be using this tinted moisturizer from Laura Mercier. Grabbing my foundation brush for this tinted moisturizer. I'm not a huge fan of tinted moisturizers because I've used a couple of them from the market and they have not helped me with coverage I desire, and it's always emphasized my pores and texture on my skin. But finally I found this tinted moisturizer from Laura Mercier, and believe me guys, it's really good. It's not emphasizing my pores or textures on the skin, and it's giving the right amount of luminosity and coverage. You will soon notice what I'm talking about. So what is clean makeup look all about? I know people are very much aware of no makeup look, and how is clean makeup look different from no makeup look, right? Clean makeup look is to have more luminosity, more glowing skin, more natural skin. It is all about emphasizing the natural beauty with very subtle contouring or definition on skin. In clean makeup look, it is always better to use cream formula products. Avoid using powder formula products to get that natural look on the face. Tinted moisturizer is giving a very nice subtle glow and making the face look very fresh and nice. That's all about this makeup look. Moving on to the concealer, I'm using Huda Beauty 4 Filter Concealer. I'll be using this concealer around my nose area, mouth area to cover the redness. I won't be focusing too much on coverage. As far as I'm able to get that even skin tone, I'm happy about that. The whole idea is not to look very makeupy here and to have that natural looking skin, even looking skin. Now I'll be using a liquid contour from Rare Beauty. I'm taking a bit of it on back of my hand. Taking a fiber brush, taking this on the brush before I apply on my skin, and slightly contouring my cheekbone. This product is so amazing. I have been using this for almost 2 weeks now. The luminosity and the pigment is just perfect. I just love this product. And also it's not emphasizing my textures or pores, which is an added benefit for me. So easy to blend, and the way it blends, it looks so natural in the skin and giving a slight glow, just looking so pretty. If you think you have overdone the contour, the liquid contour you've used, go back with the foundation brush, just slightly dab this and you can even that out. In this makeup look, we're not going to focus on contouring much or get that very bronzy kind of look. It's just to bring that little glowy bronziness on the face. So I'm using very minimal of all the products. From the nose. Now using Laura Mercier setting powder, I'll be applying the setting powder only in the areas we applied concealer, not in the other areas. Otherwise, you will be defeating the whole purpose of having that luminosity by mattifying with the setting powder. So just apply the setting powder where you have applied concealer, which is very important in this makeup routine. Using the eyebrow pencil from e.l.f. This is Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the shade brown. Again, this is something new I started using and it helps me achieve the very natural looking brows. So every time I want natural looking brows, I can use this, and I don't think I'll necessarily use this when I want semi-glam or glam makeup. It has the right amount of coverage I need and the pigment is just perfect. Using the eyeshadow palette from Makeup by Mario, and this palette is called Master Mattes, I'll be taking the shade from here. I'm going to simply take the shade all across my eyelid. Using a smaller brush and taking the same shade to apply on my lower waterline. Using the mascara from MAC Stack. I'll be using a lot of mascara to get that lifted, voluminous lashes. Do not forget the mascara on the lower lashes. Going back to my old friend Benefit Hoola bronzing powder, I just want to layer this up on the liquid bronzer we just used some time back. Dabbing the product very light-handedly. People with dry skin can just go ahead with liquid contour alone. You don't need to powder this. Since I have oily skin, liquid products tend to, get dissolved in my skin or they disappear after a few hours of application. I make sure I apply a little powder on top of it so that this lasts long. I'm hardly using any product. Same over my nose as well, because I did use a liquid contour here on the bridge of my nose. Moving on with the blush, I'm using the blush from Milani. This is a very soft pink color blush and it has a slight glow in it. Again, I'm using very minimal product here. This is one of my favorite blushes from the drugstore and the pigment is just so perfect, and what I love the most about this blush, it has a shimmer, a very light shimmer which is perfect for day use or party wear. It just goes well for any occasion basically. And the color is also so pretty. Lip liner from ELF. Lip crayon from Nude Stick. This is in the shade Mystic. So this is it guys. This is as simple as you can see. You can do this makeup within 10 minutes of your time and it also can be your daily makeup routine. It's so simple that it will not take much effort. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like this look. If you did so, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, and do comment if you want to know more about this look. Thank you for watching this video and until my next one, bye.